Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Now guys, if you have problems with your transmission guys on Chevy Cruze, we'll show you guys where to find the fuse for the transmission. Sometimes that could be bad. We guys have more than 200 videos on this car. Why guys? Because our goal is to save you as much money as we can by providing all these videos. All we guys need in return is like and subscribe. Also guys, please drop a comment below, let us know what you think about the channel, about the videos, if it was helpful and all that stuff. So we have that Chevy Cruze guys. We have more than 200 videos, as I said, electrical videos, and more than 200 mechanical videos listed on our main channel, Auto Repair guys. Please check it out. So, now, let me explain what we'll be doing today guys. We'll show you the fuse for the transmission, but also we have on Auto Repair guys videos that we took the whole transmission apart, servicing everything, replacing valve bodies, solenoids and all that stuff. This is your transmission pan and there is a special procedure that you add fluid, check the fluid level and all that stuff. So feel free guys to check this video out. So we have two fuse boxes for that Chevy Cruze guys. One is under the hood and the other one, let me show you, it's located on the left side of the steering, under the steering wheel, right here. And usually, this fuse box is attached, is covered by this, like that. So in order to get to it, you have to pull it out. However, the fuse guys for the transmission, the transmission fuse is actually under the hood, and we'll show you which one it is. Let me just get my my device here that I'll show you how I'm going to check fuses as well, and I'll get the replacement fuses. All that guys will be listed in the description of the video below. You can find out where we get all that stuff for a fraction of the price guys. Really good deal. So this fuse box, how you open it now? Right here, you squish, pull up. Same thing on this side, it already came up. One on this side. Perfect, came out. Now the fuse that we need to find guys will be fuse number 1. So it will be the very first fuse, right here. It is a 15 amp fuse. And we have the fuse puller right here. So let's have somebody hold the camera quick. That fuse puller, you push in on this one and you pull it up. So this is guys the fuse that we need now. Let me explain quick. This 15 amp fuse. So you grab it, this is fuse number 1, and you just pull it up. Like that. So how you guys check fuses? Sometimes, sometimes fuses will be hard to see if they're good or not. So this is the fuse guys. Sometimes it's hard to tell if it's burnt or not. If you use a voltmeter, you can check out this one listed in the description of the video below. I'll set it to continuity testing or ohm meters. And you're going to notice now guys, if the fuse is good, it will be like touching the LEDs together, and we should get a 0. So I have the fuse ready now. Nothing. So I'll get a replacement fuse guys. 15 amp fuse. In our case 15 amp will be blue fuse again. And we'll just go ahead and replace it. But let me show you what the good fuse looks like now when we test it. It's going to show guys zeros. So that's perfect. Now I'll just go ahead and remove it. So this is guys, and install it, excuse me. This is guys your transmission fuse. When you are ready, all we have to do, just install your cover, but do not forget to put your clip back in, because if you need it next time, it will not be there. So thank you for watching.
Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.